Come see this cozy ranch located in the central area of Virginia Beach. Converted garage is made into a large den area with a room attached for extra storage space and laundry area. The large yard is great for entertaining family and friends in the summertime. Nice detached shed to have as an outdoor entertainment room or to store all your outdoor items in. Nice open kitchen that has been updated in the recent years. Near restaurants, shopping, interstate and easy commute to bases/beaches. Call today to schedule your showing.